What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna do a test. I know it's a joke, of course, but it's a baby hill, I call. It's pretty steep in some way. It's probably has around 10% to the first hump, and then between first and second hump maybe like 15% or so. Actually guys, on video I said this hill is like 10%, and actually let's check. Here's a 11 degree, not percent. And let's go with some steepest area. It's almost 15. Because I mean hills, it's different things. Sometimes it's a 13, sometimes it doesn't look too steep. And when you look on another moment, it looks much steeper than actual. Yeah, right there's a 17 degree. Anyway, all my wheels, what I used to own, what I own currently, usually in the first week or so I'm gonna bring it over here and test it. My XR didn't make it. Not that great. GT a little bit farther, but I believe on the GT I never make it to the top of a hill. Now I got a new addition to my one wheel garage. It's a original Pint. Thanks to a really nice gentleman named by Alan. He donated to my channel 2 of them. I fixed one already, and second one is gonna be probably in the next week or so. I was gonna work on that one. Pretty much, yeah. Pint one wheel. Currently it has 120 mile on a board. Pretty much it's pretty new. I'm a fat guy, yeah. It's 290. Let me try, do my best. Of course you can see it's got bunch of bumps. I was gonna try do my best, but especially with Pint. Why I want to try it Pint, especially I already did long time ago with XR, because someone's saying due to a smaller tire, the Pint has more torque than XR. Well, let's try it and see how accurate that information. I didn't go too far. I didn't go too far. Actually, the motor is so weak. The thing is, Pint is so underpowered, unbelievable, guys. Well, let me try it on the Monster Vesc XR. And of course, this beast is totally different animal, but that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about, guys. this thing, it's probably, it feels like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, 10 times more powerful than Pine. The thing is, it's a 20S 3-piece, 1080 watt battery capacity compared to 160. Has a SuperFlux high torque motor. That's a beast. Well, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video as much as I did, climbing on that hill back and forth. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.